we go back to about 1983, 84, and prior to that it was the old Midland Gear Company that Dad started in 1953, when he worked nights at the Jag and got on his push bike and went down to Rose Cottage Farm and princed up on his bike. Had a little shed there with a machine in it and cut some gears and then delivered them on his handlebars. 1983 saw bad times all round, got my overalls on and joined Dad and said, look, get this place going. It's a little tiny place literally in Brighton Street, just across from where we are now. It was basic, but it was a start. And from there we gradually built it up.
I mean, school holidays, back from university, used to work here on Saturday mornings, gradually introducing me to the business and the world of work. We currently supply maybe about 30% of our monthly turnover goes out to Italy. A large proportion of our work still goes into the UK, but then subsequently goes into Europe and all over the world. We're very much heavily into the automotive industry. We do have customers elsewhere in the country, but really the whole of our supply chain is within 15 miles of where we're sat now.
Always been very much involved with the Chamber and always been very proud to. I've always thought of it as an extension to our business. They've always been a real rock to lean on.
From being involved with the Bank of England, networking meetings and the roundtable discussions that happen 2 or 3 times a year. I'm now a prominent member of the branch meetings that are exciting. You know, you get to speak to leaders of the City Council, various politicians, put your view forward, and you know, your voice is heard.
You just get opportunities, and in my view, from experience of life, opportunities don't come along that often, but when they do, and they're more prolific from the Chamber's perspective, you have to grab them and then you make the most of it.
It's not always just important to know people in your own sector. Other areas that can assist your business moving forward, be that human resource, accounts, IT, media. It's all important, and the Chamber gives you all of those on the plate, really.